Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to remove rust stains from your countertops. Maybe you had something metal like this sitting on your countertops, and if there was any water built up around it that you didn't notice, one day you decided to clean your countertops, you pick it up, and there is a rust stain. The easiest way to clean it off, and I promise you it will come off, is with a paste that you make from the juice out of one lemon. Squeeze the entire lemon into a bowl. Add baking soda, which I've already mixed this up before. Mix it up really well with a, here, let's get a spoon. Mix that up a little bit. Until it's into a paste like this. You've got it, it's probably the consistency of honey, something like that. Next, you want to get a paper towel or a rag or napkin, dip it in your paste, and just apply it to the stain. This will get the rust right off. If there's some stubborn spots on your rust stain, what you want to do is apply the paste to it and let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, and that'll really bring the rust up out of the porous surface of your countertops. And after that, wipe it clean with your wet cloth or sponge. I am Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you remove a rust stain from a countertop.